Welcome back to Motorculture TV. My name's Jake and today I'm about to show you a 300 series, but not just any old 300 series because that would be boring. I'm showing you one that is far more superior than you've ever seen in your life. Why? Well, it's a one of one. It's one of its kind, built by Superior Engineering. Technically speaking, this right here is a 2024 Superior Engineering 300 series LandCruiser. So let's go check it out. All right, you might be wondering to yourself, why is this one of a kind? Well, good question, and I'm just about to answer it. Well, every single giveaway, I get given a spec list, right? This thing has about 2 pages worth of modifications, and you probably can't see it directly right now, and that's because it's all hiding beneath, which makes this thing seriously an off-road machine. But at a glance, you can see right now, it's got the Meredith Metalworks snorkel. Shout out to those guys for popping it on. Of course, you got some massive 35-inch wheels, and it does have a 4-inch lift, with of course some custom fenders as well, which makes it look pretty damn schmick. Another thing I like is of course the bull bar on the front. It's got integrated lighting and you may even be able to see the bash plate below. But let's talk about more of what's going on beneath this car. There's a lot here, so let's get straight into it. At the front and the rear, this car has coil springs with of course the Monotube remote reservoirs as well. You also have the adjustable Panhard rods. You've got the extended sway bar at the back there. And you also have all new upper and lower control arms too. And as I mentioned before, you've also got the bash plate beneath and the toe point at the back, but that's not quite it. And at the rear, Superior Engineering have also added in a 25mm diff drop, as well as an all new reverse light to make your life a little bit easier. And to finish the job off, that all creates a 4.2 ton GVM upgrade, which means you can tow more than ever. And to really put the cherry on the top, of course, you've got yourself the Superior Engineering badge on the rear. Now imagine you've got all that work under the body, and at your foot you've got 300 horsepower with 700 Newton meters of torque, and that's produced by the 3.3 litre turbo diesel V6 motor that's hiding beneath the engine bay at the front. Better yet, this thing is honestly an off-road machine. You've got the driver modes right at your fingertips, which is great. You've got your diff lockers, 4 high, 4 low, all the bits and pieces, plus all the creature comforts that are going to make your life just a little bit nicer, including lane trace assist, emergency stopping, a bunch of sensors, cameras, you list it, this car's got it, and a nice little infotainment system with Apple CarPlay, your wireless phone charger as well. You've also got your leather, wood accents, and as always, you cannot forget the sunroof at the top. You know what else is at your fingertips? The electronically controlled damping system for your suspension, which is pretty damn neat. But let's talk about seating really quickly. They're heated, they're ventilated as well. The steering wheel has even heating options for you. But I think the best part is the air conditioning spans from the front to the rear with dual climate control. And it's a 7-seater as well, which means you can bring all your family and all your friends too. But if you're wondering if any of this is legal, absolutely. Superior Engineering has done all of these modifications through the 2nd stage manufacturing process, which means no matter where you are in Australia, it's going to be completely legal and you can have fun on the roads and off-road as well, which is fantastic. And technically speaking, that's what makes this car a 2024 Superior Engineering 300 series LandCruiser, which makes it one of a kind. And if you're watching this video as it's just released, well, you can win it simply by clicking the link down in the comments section. So what are you waiting for? Click the link, get your name in the draw if you haven't already. Plus you'll be automatically entered into every single giveaway that we have on offer, and there's plenty. And let me know your favorite part of this car down in the comments section too. Better yet, if you like the video, hit the like button, hit the bell notification so you never miss another video, and we'll see you in the very next video.